Greetings, folks. This is DC Investing. I've reached financial independence and I talk about topics that help others on their pathway to independence. And today I have a little friend here. Actually, he's not so little, he's actually pretty tall. It's about a 7 foot tall monster. He's up on a box, so he's a little higher. But the reason why I have him here is I just want to mention that retirement does not mean that you can't do fun things you really love. So I have had for the past 25 years a electrical engineering job, and I have worked in that field to the point where I saved up all my assets. And on Friday the 13th this month, I retired from that engineering job. It was a above six-figure paying career, and while I was doing that, I also really loved making monsters. I became an engineer because I wanted to make animatronic creatures, and I took it to about as far as I could. I actually opened a business up that was a Halloween haunted attraction, and unfortunately, the business didn't make it. There were some issues that I ran into with the city that I just couldn't get resolved. So all of the stuff that I had for that business was sold to another Halloween event, and this was one of those creatures, and he still lives. Even though my past business is gone, the creature still moves on. And now I'm a caretaker of animatronics. And it's just kind of a side gig. It had been a side gig. Now it's just my recreational job. So if you're in the FIRE community, it stands for Financial Independence Retire Early, but you can also change that last word to Financial Independence Recreational Employment. And I love making animatronic creatures. This guy is just so cool. So in the past, this is a creature that I had commissioned from scratch. So he started as a clay mold for all of these the features. There's a support structure underneath that we made as well. So we made molds for this guy, these two arms, big legs down there. We made molds for all of those and then cast them. And then you put latex in the molds, fill it with foam. There's a steel structure in the middle of this guy, and he's a full animatronic. So he moves, his jaw moves up and down, head moves, body moves side to side. He's really terrifying, really fun. But this was something that I created from nothing, just as part of my side gig fun job. And now I'm just going to continue taking care of this. I don't know how long I'll continue working for this Halloween event. It's really fun. I enjoy this type of work. It's different. And I quit the engineering job. So I'm done. I'm financially, I figure it's like I retired early, but now I can just dink around and play with fun monsters like this giant animatronic vampire bat, which is just so cool. So just as a pep talk, the investing and saving over the years has made it possible for me to now kind of do the career that I really wanted to do. It's not really a career. It's, just a little bit of extra money along the side of the things that I do and take care of. But the Halloween event that I work for makes a bunch of money, so it makes sense to give some of that to me because I'm, creating a really fun little, not a little, but fun aspect to their event. So again, financial independence, recreational employment. I'm entering in on my recreational employment time frame. I can do it or not do it. Doesn't matter to me financially, but it's just kind of a fun way of picking up a few extra bucks. So just kind of a pep talk. Keep going on all of you guys are all on a path to. You've got various things that you're interested in. For me, I was interested in giant scary monsters, and now we'll see. I may make some more of these or other creatures. I definitely work on automation here quite a bit just because it's fun. Every project's different. It's engaging to me. I think it's an interesting thing. So cheers. Hope you guys have a good journey. You don't have to completely retire when you retire. You can do your recreational job, and this one's definitely a recreation here with this giant vampire bat animatronic. We'll see you.